they never stopped. Credit to the bench players that I had to pull out, like Jed and Troy Manigin, they Jack, Duman, everybody helped out. We contained them, we played good defense, and what the thing is that I love what said is doing. He's being the leader of the team, so he took over. KD's going to be there, of course, already. And credit to Coach Shah, they never gave up also. Just happy, just very happy that we had this win. It's a good start for the second round. Hopefully we can push more and get some more wins.
Thank you, Coach Lam. Now we would like to open the floor for questions.
Lieutenant, how are you? Good job.
First one.
Okay, sorry.
I said congrats. Just talk about how you took over when you guys were training by 9 and 10 before.
It's all about how we're able to take over the game.
We know what kind of team we are when we're getting stops, taking pride in our defense, and then just executing offensively. Our coaches put a great game plan together, and when we executed and we did what they wanted us to do, and what they've been preaching to us, things went good for us. So I think that contributes to the comeback.
How about the last time we faced Phoenix? I think you only had like 10 points is a little bit. Was that like a motivation that you wanted to bounce up tonight, or is that there? I mean,
I feel like I had some of my best games against Phoenix, so not having a great game against them last time kind of put a bad taste in my mouth. But honestly, just as a team, that was the vibe. We knew we were better than how we performed last game, and I kind of just wanted to be more aggressive and not settle as much. And I think we did a better job of that today.
Congrats sa kung saan naman masasabi mo sa pinakita nila James Una, si Dory Maligin, even more you minute si Devin Dorsan, the fourth quarter.
Yeah, sabi ko mga kanina, it's great having them around. I told them to be ready, and they were there. And yan ang mga kailangan namin sa team, mga extra utility guys that can turn around some games with the hustle and not giving up, and through Puso. So just happy that we played that well, especially Cedric. I told you, being the leader of this team, he has to step up, and he did. And hopefully we get more wins.
Si RK there was one sequence na made a turnover but nag-respond siya with crucial plays down the stretch.
Yeah, our team is going to be our team. I told him to settle down, get composed. Need to take him out a little bit, think about what things that we can do. And when he came up, a good run for him, and playing good defense is the key palagi. If you're not playing well on offense, you gotta play good defense.
Coach Ginebra, tinampakan kayo nung first round. Ano lang yung tingin mo ba kung panalong to?
I hope it would boost our chances going to against them. I think I told you before that we take the wall on them. Probably having that bad game, almost win against Meral. We felt bad that and I think we're prepared now because of this game, especially this game, that we came back from 10-point lead, and nararamdaman ko na gusto nila. So yun yung puso natin na kailangan lagi kami handa, lagi kami ready, lagi kami aggressive, and things happens for this. So sabi ko, just do your stuff and win.
Said the game against Ginebra was big importance because of the standings. They're 2-3.
3-3, the standings in Group is quite a logjam. How big will be that game?
It's a big game. I mean, the next game is always the biggest game, but, you know, we didn't perform well against them last time.